back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a makeup look today, but before that, I am doing a giveaway in this video, and it's going to be valued at $170. So I wanted to show you what the product is and how I use it. So the product that I'm going to be giving away today is this little guy right here. It's actually a skincare wand, which is pretty cool. So this is a skincare wand from Solawave. It's kind of like a 4-in-1 device. So it has microcurrents that help lift, tighten, and tone your face and your neck. So it vibrates as well once it touches your skin. The red light therapy is supposed to help with hyperpigmentation, and it also has warmth to it, so it helps your skin absorb your skincare a little bit better. And it also will be coming with this hydrating serum, which is cruelty-free, not tested on animals, because you don't want to do it on dry skin. So this one has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in it. Before I show you guys how I use it, I just want to say again, I will be giving away both of these things to one winner. All you got to do is leave a comment in the comment section, and I will be choosing from there. Don't forget to check out the description for any other details about the giveaway. I also want to say that I just recently started using this, so I haven't been using it for a long time. So first you want to keep your skin moist, which is what the serum is for, and you kind of want to work in sections. I'll probably show you my forehead first. So it is activated once it touches the skin, and this little part right here does turn for different areas of the face. I'm going to apply a little bit of this, and I will rub it in. Maybe like a minute in each section. You kind of want to go kind of slow and then just work your way in sections upward. And you're going to want to do the other side, but make sure your skin is moist. And I'm also going to... So you want to make sure your face is clean when doing this. And then you would do the rest of your skincare after you're done with this. You can also do the neck, which helps with the tech neck, which is basically that line looking down at our phones all the time. So mine is pretty bad and I hate it. I really, really hate it. For the neck, you kind of want to avoid this center section. I'm not sure why, but it says to avoid that center section. So you kind of just go on the bottom like that in like 3 sections. Then go to this side. 5 minutes a day. You don't want to use it more than once a day, and you can also do your under eyes too. Excited to be giving you guys one. So the one, they have 3 different colors. The one that I am going to be sending out is this rose gold color too. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and I just realized I'm putting these, what the heck are these called? Patchology eye patches on. That just fell. And I realized when I did that whole first half of the video, my backlight wasn't on, so that's awesome. A quick little halo on my eyes. I was super excited. This is the new Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. It is so cute. I mean, look at it. Look at that. It's cute. Obviously, the colors are so pretty. And the first color that I'm going to take which is that color right there, to be my transition shade, but it would also look really pretty on the lid. Really like this palette. I really like these shadows. They don't have a lot of fallout. They blend really nicely together. Kind of building it up lightly, which I personally like doing. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ColourPop shadow sticks. This one comes in a set. These just came out. This was Citrus Squeeze. I don't know. They have different ones. This just comes in like a set of 5. And I'm just adding this to the center, just to make that center pop a little bit more. The next color I'm going to use, I think it's called Fuzzy Wuzzy, which is probably not the darkest. Well, it looks like one of the darker. And that's going to go on the inner and outer corner of my eye. And again, I'm going to build this color up, putting it where I want it first, and then I will add more color to it to darken it up. The color that I'm going to use in the center is called For Real. It's a really, really pretty shimmery shade. Adding that on top of that color. Pop color. Super pretty. And I like to go really high up with it just to give it like a little shimmer up there. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Balm's Schwing eyeliner. I use this every time. I love this eyeliner. I don't really like adding a heavy wing when I'm doing a halo because I feel like it takes away from it. I'm skipping primer today and just going with a foundation, and I'm going to use Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin, and I am in the shade Y245. Concealer, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way concealer. With, of course, my Tarte double-ended brush. Will link in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to take a Laura Mercier setting powder and set my under eyes. Whoa, that was too much. Oh goodness, that was way too much. Oh my god, I haven't used this in forever. NARS Laguna bronzer. I don't even know if I like it on me anymore. I have not used this in forever. I am going to switch to Benefit Hoola bronzer just to do my nose real quick. For blush, I'm going to take Laura Mercier's Bellini blush again. Right? No, I think it's peach that I like. Shoot, you know what? I'm taking peach from Laura Mercier. I love this one. Okay, I'm going to take Iconic London's Luminous Powder in Fair. Just add a little bit. So I went ahead and finished my lips, and I just used Makeup Forever 608 Artist Color Pencil and Dose of Colors Cork lipstick.